The key to really being successful as an advisor, I believe, and as a company we believe, is having the education to help clients keep more of the money they make.
You have to invest in your education. I mean, tax law is crazy and it's changing all the time.
There's so much information, there's so much stuff that you really get hit in the face with a fire hose the first time you're out there.
When you leave our 2-day program, you leave with a customized action plan for you.
There's a great tool that Ed has. If you hear something, write it down. And then to the right of it, write down the relationship it's going to help somebody in.
If you're doing the same thing as every other advisors, whether it's investments or managing money, you'll be the same. You don't want to be the same. You want to be the best.